Hi guys, I'm Sara, nurse injector, clinical consultant. I'm here to talk to you about the Beauty Booster, which is the future of skin radiance. So our patient today is Dr. Sharma. Today we are going to be doing a combo treatment with the Fotona skin tightening and then adding in the hydration and antioxidant protection with the Beauty Booster.
People often ask me, why do you look so handsome like Brad Pitt or like Luke Perry? And the answer is Sara. So Sara, what's the plan now?
We're going to take off your numbing cream and then we'll get to work with the Fotona and then the Beauty Booster.
Exciting, let's go.
So the skin tightening is just a heat and warmth under the skin to stimulate collagen, to tighten up the epidermis. The micro laser peel is like having a series of chemical peels taking off the first couple layers of skin, helping with texture, tone, pigmentation. And then the Beauty Booster is adding in the hydration, the antioxidant protection, and also stimulating the collagen and stimulating our body's natural HA production. It's almost got a cooling feeling. And at the end of the treatment, you'll see the patient will have all these little bumps around their skin, and those should flatten within the next 2 to 4 hours. So usually book a night off. There might be a little pinpoint bruising, but that will resolve in a day. So I want to thank Dr. Sharma for being our patient today. He's a great trooper through all of our treatments. And you can follow up with the Sharma Clinic to see the results that will be posted soon. I had a great time. I look forward to seeing everyone again soon.